chick hit me, told me we got shit to do. We ain't got time like we used to. No, we still shine like we used to. No, we still grind like we used to. No, we cut ties when we need to. But I need more you on me and me on you. I can be the one that makes you feel the NSC, on this magic ride. Baby, you can hit this, don't be scared. Baby, you can hit this, don't be scared. It's only gonna get you high. I want it right here, right now. Baby, come over. I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just need it now. Let it swing my way. I just need some dick. I just need some love. Tired of fucking with these lying niggas, baby. I just need a thug. Won't you be my blood, ayy? You could be the one, ayy. You start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say now. Oh, now, baby. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, heavy breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't fight. I can taste it right, baby. I wanna be healing. I can be real good. Just don't get these feelings. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, and you can judge.
You don't really call on me like you should. Think about roll through the hood. Problems, but everything's all good, my love. Your nigga doesn't want smoke with me, nah, no way. Trust me, it's all okay. Trust me, it's all. You just need someone that's calm and patient. Submission, domination. Arch back, deep stroke, white wine, we smoke. That's my best combination. You just need some dick with no complications. You just need some. You just need some late night attention, unconditioned. All that you're missing, my day. Fucked up. Shouldn't even have to justify. I get it, I'm on your side. Guys get their way all the time. Besides, pleasure not meant for one side. You should just do what's best for your mind. How about I just take my time? You call up my line, I fall up inside you. Girls need love too, I know.
Let me tell you something. Girls need love and test me. So what's a girl to do? Yeah, she needs love too. Waiting,